Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a natural grain oak wood trim. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Come alongside, blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard key for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 14,544 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.